myself Mrs. Niyodita Matpati. Children, I am here with the EVS revision. Revision 4. Subject EVS. Okay. So, till today we have completed how many revisions, children? 3 revisions, isn't it? So, today 7th revision, the 7th bit is there here. Answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. Children, already in the previous revision we have studied about answer the following in one word or in a sentence, isn't it? So now you have to answer in 2 or 3 sentences, children. Got it? The 7th bit is answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. So shall we start, children? Okay. See to the question 1. Why do we wear clothes? What's the question, children? See here. Why do we wear clothes? Can you tell me, children, why do we wear clothes? See to the answer here. Answer. We wear clothes to cover our body and protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Got the answer, children? Why should we wear the clothes? We should wear the clothes to cover our body. To cover our body, we should wear the clothes, isn't it? And protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. You should write in a 2 or 3 sentence, children, isn't it? So, shall we go for second question here? See, question 2. When should we brush our teeth? You already know, children. When should we brush our teeth here? Yes, in the morning and at night. See how to write the answer here. We should brush our teeth every day in the morning and at night. We should brush our teeth every day in the morning and at night. Got it, children? Shall we go for question 3 here? Yes. Why do we need food? Can you tell me, children, why do we need food here? Yes, we need food to live and grow, isn't it? See, we need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. Shall we go for question 4 here? See, who are called cousins? Can you tell me who are called cousins, children, here? See, the answer is the children of uncle and aunt are called cousins. Got it? Who are cousins? Children of your uncle and aunt. Children of your uncle and aunt. They are called cousins here. So, you have to write in a sentence. In 2 or 3 sentences, isn't it? It's a long answer. Got it? The children of uncle and aunt are called cousins here. So, shall we move for question 5th, children here? Shoot the question 5th. What would happen if we do not brush our teeth? See, what will happen, children? What would happen if we not do the brush here? See the answer here. If we do not brush our teeth, our mouth will smell, isn't it? And we get cavities here. Got the answer, children? See the answer. You have to write the full answer here because you are writing the answer in 2 or 3 sentences, isn't it? So keep in the mind, full answer should be written here. Got it? I will repeat the answer here. If we, question listen once again, what would happen if we do not brush our teeth? What is going to happen if we not brush our teeth? See the answer here. Answer, if we do not brush our teeth, our it children? Now next sixth question here. What is an uniform? What is an uniform children? Who all wear the uniform here? Let's see the answer. Answer. Some people wear special clothes at their workplace. These special clothes are called uniform. Got the answer children? Can you give me the example who will wear the uniform here? Yes, even you will wear school uniform, isn't it? Then doctor will wear the uniform. Policeman, postman, watchman, nurse, lawyer, these all they will wear their uniform. When they will wear? While going to their workplace, isn't it? So you have to write the full answer here. What is an uniform? Some people wear special clothes. What is this special clothes? Particular person will be having their own uniform, isn't it? So those are called special clothes, isn't it? Special clothes at their workplace. These special clothes are called uniform. Got it? Shall we go for 7th question children here? Write any 2 safety rules followed on road. You have to write any 2 safety rules children which we should follow on the road. See to the answers here. You can write the first one and second one according to the point. I will tell the first point here. In answer first one, we must walk on the footpath. First one, isn't it? We must always walk on the footpath. Shall we go for second one? Second point C. We must cross the road at zebra crossing. Isn't it? We must always cross the road at zebra crossing. These are the 2 points children which you have to write in the exam. Shall I read the question once again? Write any two safety rules followed on road. First one is we must walk on the footpath. Second one, we must cross the road at zebra crossing. 2 points over. Next, we'll go to the 8th question here. Why do we use an umbrella in rain? Why do we use an umbrella in rain children? So, look to the answer here. An umbrella protect us from the rain and keep us dry here, isn't it? Umbrella help us from the rain and keep us dry. Got it? See the answer once again. An umbrella protect us from the rain and keep us dry. Got it? Now next, 9th question. Why should we develop habits of cleanliness? See, why should we develop the habits of cleanliness here? See the answer children. We should develop habits of cleanliness to stay healthy and fit. Isn't it? We should maintain the cleanliness to maintain ourselves healthy and fit here. Got it? So, once again I will read the answer. We should develop habits of cleanliness to stay healthy and fit. Got it children? Shall we go for 10th question here? What is joint family? Can you tell me what is joint family children here? Who are the members going to stay in the joint family here? Yes, see here I will tell the answer. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt and cousins living together is called a large or joint family. Here joint family, large family, both are same children. Okay, large family also means living many members in the family. Those are called joint family or large family. Shall I repeat how many members are there? Let me count here. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt and cousins all living together. Living together is called a large or joint family here. Got it, children? So children, now we have completed the 7th bit, isn't it? What was the 7th bit? Can you tell me? Answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences, isn't it? Now we will continue the 8th bit, children. See here. 8th bit. Answer the following 3 to 4 sentences. 2-3 sentences over. Now answer the following in 3 or 4 sentences. See, 3 or 4 sentences. So shall we start, children? See the question 1 here. Write any 2 safety rules to be followed at home. You have to write the safety rules which you have to follow at home here. Shall I tell the answers, children? See, here also 2 points are there because they have asked any 2. So you can write the first one is, we must not play with sharp things. Isn't it, children? We must not play with sharp things in your home. Got it? See to the second question. We must not play with things that produce fire. Okay? You should not play with the things that produce fire. These are the 2 points, children. Got it? Shall I repeat the 2 points again? Which you should follow at home. See the first point. We must not play with sharp things. Second one. We must not play with things that produce fire. 2 points. Got it, children? Shall we go for second question here? Write some good food habits. Write some good food habits. First one, we must wash our hands before and after eating. Got it, children? For the first point, you must wash your hands before eating and after eating. Got it? Second one, we should not eat uncovered food. Uncovered means what, children, here? The food which will be not covered with the cloth. That is called uncovered. But so we should not eat uncovered food. See to the third one. We should eat our food slowly. Whenever you will be eating, you should eat your food slowly. You should not eat it fast because if you eat fast, it will stuck in the neck, isn't it? Then your food will not get digested here, isn't it? So, slowly by chewing the food, you have to eat it slowly. These are the 3 points, children, here. You have to write all the 3 points here. Got it? See, write some good food habits. First point answer. First one is, we must wash our hands before and after eating. Second one, we should not eat uncovered food. Third one, we should eat our food slowly. As I told you, these are the 3 to 4 sentence answers here. Okay. Now, next we will move to the third question here. Mention some good habits that you should follow daily. Mention some good habits which you should follow daily here. See to the first one, children. Here also 3 to 4 points are there in this. Got it? See the answer. First point. Brush your teeth daily in the morning and at night. What is the first point? Brush your teeth daily in the morning and at night. Second one. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. See the third one. Comb your hair daily. You should comb your hair daily. See the fourth one. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Got it, children? Wash your hands before and after every meal. These are the 4 points. Got it, children? So, here, this ends the revision part, children. EVS revision will end today. So how many bits totally we have done the revisions here? Totally 4 revisions. In 4 revisions, how many bits we have completed? We have discussed about 8 bits. So you have to get ready for all the 8 bits, children. Today's revision, 2 or 3 sentences. You have to get ready for all the 10 question answers. Then 8th bit, 3 to 4 sentences. In 8th bit, 3 to 4 sentences. You have to get ready for all the 3 questions here. Got it, children? Hope you all might be getting prepared, getting ready for the midterm exam, isn't it? So, we'll end up the revision part here. All the best for the exams. Thank you. Have a good day.